Hi guys, welcome back to Valentino TV, and today I'm super excited because we're showing our newest product, which is Chelly's Nails Gel Paints by Valentino. Let's get to it. So today I'm going to be using my two latest collections, Street Art Collection and Honeymoon Prep Collection. We're going to start with the color white. Now, when you're using Chelly's Nails Gel Paints, you have to make sure you open the pod, remove the little seal. I make sure I leave this piece on my lid and make sure you stir your paint with a stirring tool. I start from the sides and I go around just so I don't create any bubbles. Just make sure you mix it properly and you clean your little spatula. Now these are gel paints. We don't build with this, we do art. I'm gonna grab my gel brush. Make sure you only use gel brushes. Do not mix your acrylic brushes or acrylic paint brushes with gel paints. That will damage your brush. Or use your gel paint brushes to do acrylic. That's no good. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit from the side. I always say with Valentino, less is more. Let's pop this bubble. So honestly, you really do not need a lot of product. Here you can see how much product I'm grabbing, almost nothing. And we're going to start painting the nail. But before we start painting the nail, make sure it is free of any type of oils. I'm going to grab a lint-free wipe and I'm going to apply alcohol. I like to do my little TP method. That way I don't touch the skin. And clean the surface of my enhancement. Now I'm going to grab my paint. I'm going to secure my perimeter. Now make sure you are using very, very thin layers. Remember, this is gel paint, so the viscosity of it will be thicker. And just paint the whole nail. So I've already cured this for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add another thin layer. And this layer I'm not going to cure. So now I'm going to make this pattern. And I'm going to use green, yellow, blue, pink, and pink. So let's grab my pods. And I'm going to grab a little bit of paint and I'm going to put it in my board. I'm going to start with my yellow. Now, as you see, I haven't removed the seal completely. I like keeping my seals kind of like there or halfway. I feel it protects my gel a little bit better. Make sure you don't leave them exposed to the light or they will get cured, even to natural lighting if you are next to a window. Now I'm going to do my green. And you can see it's a nice thick viscosity because it's gel paint. So now I'm going to use my blue. This is a beautiful kind of like a royal blue. These gel paints are very, very pigmented. So a little bit is all we need. Now I'm going to use this beautiful pink. There's so much we could do with gel paints. It's crazy. Incredible. All we need is your creativity, and that's about it. So now you see that I still have a little bit of white left on my brush. I'm gonna leave it just like that. And I have not cured this second layer of my white. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of my yellow, and we're just gonna create some strokes. No specific pattern. I clean, and I grab some green. And same thing, on and on with my blue. And now with my pink. And when you put the pink next to the blue, you will have purple. Now I will cure this for 30 seconds. I will put some top coat, and then I will do my line work. So now I've already poured or already taken out a little bit of my black. This is perfect for line work. Actually, all the line work that I've been doing is with this one or the white one. It's perfect. Now I've already applied it on my little palette, as you see, and we're gonna start creating our line work. I've already slightly buffed my surface just to make sure it's nice and smooth and leveled. And I'm gonna do an outline. I'm gonna do an outline around the cuticle area. Now you may flash cure in between, just so you secure your line work and won't damage it when you're placing your finger or touching the nail. Don't worry if it touches the skin a little bit. Before you put it inside the gel lamp, just make sure you clean that and you'll be good to go. Now it's very important to have a steady hand for line work. I usually use my pinky to make sure I stay nice and steady. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my finishing touches. Remember to flash cure in between. You don't want to mess up your design. It's so easy to do line work with this gel paint. Super, super easy. And that's done. Let's cure that and top coat it. So now I'm going to put my top coat. Getting a lint-free wipe with some alcohol. I always like to clean my mat just to make sure it's super, super matte. Now I'm going to go with some decorating elements. I'm going to use my diamond gel to secure my stones. Let's get a small amount and put it right in the middle. Let me flash cure. It aligned perfectly with my first line. Cure that. And there's the full design. It looks so, so good. So pretty. So I hope you like watching me create some line work with my new Chelly's Nails Gel Paints by Valentino. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time.